Lads and ladies of the internet, today marks the end of an era. On December 3rd of 2019, I purchased a watermelon from a Walmart supercenter. That was 465 days ago. With a little bleach, a tastefully tied, expertly crafted, and artistically beaded macrame, and some luck, I was able to keep that melon happy and healthy for a long time. But, as with anything worth celebrating, that time has come to an end. We gather here tonight to commemorate the life and legacy of a dear friend known to many as Yabonton Melon. Truly one of the finest seedy photosynthetic friends that this Houseplant Guru Extraordinaire has ever had the pleasure to have kept. Chloe, Kalanchoe, Lady Space Cowgirl, thanks for coming. I'm glad you both could be here. Toby, thanks, I guess. Not sure why you're here. For months, Yabonton Melon, adorned in his macrame, made that sunny corner just west of the south-facing window of the guest bedroom just a little bit brighter. Then, in September of last year, he joined me here in this garage and embarked with me on my quest to make hilarious and informative houseplant care videos, each one packed to the brim with intelligent humor and botanical expertise. Today, Yabonton Melon will star in his 23rd and final video. Our dear seedy friend is going to come through for us once again by helping us uncover one final mystery. Now, here's the thing. While it is generally accepted that I am a Houseplant Guru Extraordinaire, some say that I am also a medical examiner.
What?
Yeah, you all did, on Thursday at the beach when I poked that pile of seagull feathers with that sharp bit of driftwood. Anyway, who's down to see what's inside a 465-day-old watermelon? We are going to begin the procedure by removing the macrame from the melon. Careful, careful! Now, right off the bat, I've noticed that there seems to be a residual pattern of where the macrame used to be up against the melon. So that's kind of cool. Now that we have successfully disrobed the melon, we shall make a small incision all around the circumference of the melon.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's pretty soft. Ooh, and it's leaking. That's interesting. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Wow. Wow.
So we've got a surprise leakage, and the smell that we're experiencing, it's not a pleasant smell. Sort of a rotten fruit kind of a smell. Imagine, I guess, the smell of a rotten watermelon. That's about, you know. Continue the process of okay, I don't know what we're gonna find in here. I'm gonna take a second to prepare myself mentally. If you want to prepare yourself mentally also, a great way to do that would be maybe to pause this video and meditate for, I don't know, 20 minutes. Or a quicker way to prepare yourself mentally might be to, you know, subscribe to this channel. Yeah, great idea. Okay, if everybody has either meditated or subscribed to this channel, let's press onwards. So here we have a nice soft melon half.
Wow.
And then in this one, it's a lot greener than I imagined it would be. Oh, wow, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'm trying really hard not to vomit right now, but I'm also thinking how funny it would be to vomit with a mask on. I'm sure that someone out there has experienced that recently.
Oh my gosh.
I know, she said.
Shh. And there you have it, lads and ladies. This here is what is inside a 465-day-old watermelon. I don't know if this is just weird or if maybe we're on the cutting edge of science. As far as I'm aware, there are no other videos documenting what exactly can be found inside a 465-day-old melon. No, I didn't. Now, if for whatever reason you want to keep pumpkins, melons, squash, or probably lots of other stuff alive for way longer than necessary, then check out this video where I outline exactly the process by which I kept Yabonton melon alive for 465 days, as well as several pumpkins now for more than 2 years. Hey, listen. Do you like bad graffiti, worse jokes, wacky macrame, and pretty good advice about taking care of your houseplants? Yeah, I mean, let's be real. Shit got pretty weird in this one. Anyway, if you like any of that shit, then fucking subscribe. Thanks, Toby. That's right. Click that notification bell too, so you never miss a new video.